Good morning to one and all. My name is K. Soni Sharmila, Assistant Professor in CSC Department, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. I am dealing the subject of full stack development. Today's session, I discuss the concept of what is full stack development, what is front end development, what are the technologies included in front end development, what is back end development, what are the technologies included in the back end development, what are the databases we have to implement in full stack development, the topmost technology stacks, and man and mean stack. Coming to the introduction, full stack development refers to the practice of working on both the front end and back end aspects of a web application. A full stack developer is proficient in multiple programming languages and frameworks, allowing them to handle all aspects of the development process. Full stack development offers a holistic approach to web development, ensuring seamless integration between different layers of an application. Full stack development is nothing but as the combination of both the front end, back end, and database. Coming to the front end development mainly focuses on the user interface and the user experiences of a web application. Full stack developer proficient in front end development work with technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They create visually appealing and interactive interfaces, ensuring optimal user engagement and satisfaction. These are the front end proficiency technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML is used for structuring web content, creating the backbone of web pages. HTML is nothing but as hypertext markup language. CSS is nothing but as cascading style sheets. This is used for styling and designing web elements, ensuring visual appeal and layout. Coming to the JavaScript, adding interactive and dynamic features, it mainly concentrated on the manipulating web page elements. The front-end frameworks are React or Angular. It accelerates development and enhancing functionality. Coming to the responsive design, we create mobile-friendly and adaptive interfaces. It ensures optimal user experience across devices. Coming to the user interface design, it understands principles of user interface design. It creates visually appealing and intuitive interfaces. These are the front-end top skills. The basic skills are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. The front-end frameworks are Bootstrap, AngularJS, Ember.js, React.js, Backbone. In the front-end development, it also includes the testing and debugging phases. Coming to the back-end development mainly focuses on the server-side logic and database management of your web application. Full stack developers proficient in back-end development work with technologies such as Node.js, Ruby on Rails, or Django. They handle data storage, server configuration, and ensure the smooth functioning of the application's back-end process. Some of the backend technologies are Ruby, Java, Python, PHP, .NET. In full stack development too, we mainly focuses on Express.js. Coming to the database management, full stack developers are responsible for managing databases and ensuring efficient data storage and retrieval. They work with database management systems such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB. Full stack developers design and optimize database structures, allowing for seamless data manipulation and retrieval. These are some of the databases: MySQL, MongoDB, CoachDB, and MSSQL. This is backend development working environment. Backend developer mainly focuses on servers, APIs, data analysis, and communicating with the operating system. How can we implement the business logic? How can we frame the backend by using frameworks? We have to implement security and databases also. Coming to the full stack development tools and frameworks, full stack developers utilize a variety of tools and frameworks to streamline the development process. Full stack developer proficient in some of the areas of front end, back end, databases, DevOps, and mobile. Front end basic technologies are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. TypeScript is used in Angular as front end framework. Some of the frameworks are React JS, Vue.js, and Angular.js. Coming to the backend, Some of the backend languages are Java, Python, C#, PHP, JavaScript, and Ruby. Backend frameworks are Spring Boot, Django, ASP.NET, Symfony, Node.js, and Rails. Coming to the databases, relational databases are MySQL, PostgreSQL. Coming to the NoSQL, MongoDB, Cassandra, Elastic. Graph-oriented databases, nothing but as Neo4j. Queue-oriented databases are Kafka, RabbitMQ. DevOps infrastructures, NGI, NX, Apache, AWS, Azure, Google. DevOps automation, Jenkins, GitLab CI, Ansible. Virtualization, Docker, Kubernetes, VMware. Coming to the mobile, Android or iOS or cross-platform we use. For the Android, Java or Kotlin. For iOS, Swift. For the cross-platform, React Native, Ionic, Xamarin, PWA. Some popular tools and frameworks used in full stack development include Git for version control, React.js for front-end development, and Express.js for back-end development. Full stack developers stay updated with the latest industry trends and technologies to ensure efficient and cutting-edge development. These are the top technology stacks for full stack development: Mean Stack, Ruby on Rails stack, Lamb stack, Marin stack, Django stack. The top two most technology stacks are Mean Stack and Marin stack. In full stack development too, we mainly focuses on Marin stack. In the Mean Stack versus Marin stack, M means for MongoDB. MongoDB is a document-oriented database. It is comes under NoSQL database. In this MongoDB, we have to create multiple records at a time. We have to create multiple documents at a time. We have to update multiple records at a time, manipulations at a time, and deletions at a time. This is the main advantages of MongoDB. Coming to the Express.js, Express.js is a Node.js framework. It creates server-side web applications. AngularJS and React.js comes under front-end frameworks. AngularJS is used for single-page applications. For React.js, we have to create dynamic web applications by using hooks concepts. Node.js is runtime environment. In this full stack development too, we mainly focuses on Marin stack. M means for MongoDB, E means for Express.js, R means for React.js, and N means for Node.js. Thank you.